Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am here at Epcot and I am just in such an Epcot mood. I'm here because I've been hearing a lot about the crowds being low recently due to kids like going back to school and all of that. So the wait times have been a lot lower. So that's what I'm here to see. Right now I just checked the app and Soarin's at a 15-minute wait. And then Living with the Land is 10. The Seas is 5 minutes, I believe, from what I saw. So we got some low wait times, so I'm gonna see how many rides I can ride. And also some new food booths opened for food and wine that were supposed to open October 1st, but they opened early. So I'm gonna try to see those. Probably not gonna eat because I'm cooking dinner tonight, but I at least want to show you those booths that opened up prior to October 1st. But we're here and I'm just so happy to be at Epcot today. I'm in my happy place. Oh, I love Epcot so much. This is my favorite park. I am just in such an Epcot mood and I'm just so happy to be in this park right now. Let's go ride some rides since the wait times look so low. First up, Spaceship Earth. All right, y'all, first stop. Spaceship Earth says 5 minutes. Looks like it is a walk on. I'm gonna go ahead, grab my mask and hop in line.
For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
Books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change.
This is my favorite part of Spaceship Earth. This is so pretty. Wow, I can't believe these interactive games are back. A few weeks ago, this area was like dead. None of the games are on. You couldn't touch anything due to the pandemic, and now these games are back on. I don't know when they came back on, but I haven't seen this in so long. Time to go join Nemo and his friends and go to the Seas. Let's see how long that wait is. Last time I checked, it was a short wait. So I want to go ahead and see that. I'm also going to show you the crowds now as I'm walking in to that area. This is what it's looking like as I walk into this area. Not that bad. It's also still really hot outside. It is August 24th. And when I was parking, it said it was 94 degrees outside. So it's still really hot here in Orlando. It's not gonna cool down until about October. So you gotta hang in there with this heat. It's a little rough, but we'll get through it. All right, only 5 minutes. Here we go.
Enjoy.
We're in. Let's see if this is actually 5 minutes. I think it will be. Because this line is kind of dark and long, so people are a little slow walking in this line, but it might be faster. This is literally a walk-on. I have not stopped once. We've been walking this entire time, so there's a tip for you. Epcot during the evening hours, walk on. This ride is honestly so relaxing to me because I love the ocean.
Just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore.
My absolute favorite part of Epcot is sitting here and watching all of the fish and marine life just swim around. It's so peaceful. I could sit here for hours. Right now the dolphins are not out. There's actually some construction going on at the Seas, so the dolphins are not out due to the noise of construction, but I've been told that they should be out in a few months. Hello, friend. Yep, so the dolphins should be out within the next month or so. So they're just away due to construction. They're not away forever. So I actually have a little update for you. Turtle Talk with Crush is back and up and running. It's been up and running for about a week now, and that's awesome. I'm happy to see that back. It's great. I know kids love it. I've only done it like once. It's not my favorite thing, but I'm happy that something has reopened here at Walt Disney World. So if you have never done that, go check it out. Okay, next up, the Land Pavilion. Let's see what's going on over there. See if we can ride Living with the Land and Soarin'. That's the goal, to get both of those done and then hopefully get over to Figment. So right now, Living with the Land is actually down. And as you can see, the Fast Pass sign is already gone. So those of you who don't know, we are moving to Genie, the Disney Genie Plus, which will have the Lightning Lane. So Fast Pass has been taken down from that sign, but Living with the Land is currently down. I just stepped in line for Soarin'. It's only a 15-minute wait. Let's see if that's actually a reality. Right now it is 5:32. I don't really see a line. We're just walking, so it's 5:33 now. So let's see if it's really a 15-minute wait. It might be 10, so let's see. So it is 5:36 and I'm already at the loading platform where they tell you the rules and you stand in your line. So that's fun. I was literally in line for 32, so 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 5 minutes. And now I'm just waiting to get on. Love a crooked Eiffel Tower. She's leaning. Update, I just got off Soarin' and Living with the Land is still closed, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave the Land Pavilion because it does not look like that the land is opening anytime soon. Living with the Land has been down for a while. Even before I got here, it seemed to be down. So I don't know when it's gonna reopen, but that's fine. There are other things to do, so I'm gonna head on out of the Land Pavilion now. So it seems as though the world hates me because my favorite ride in the whole world is currently down. First, Living with the Land, now Figment. My heart is broken, but it's okay. We'll visit Figment another day. It is fine. He needs some rest anyway, so it's fine. I do hear some thunder in the distance, so it feels like a storm might be coming at some point, but too bad we couldn't ride Figment. You can definitely see that storm coming in. I am speed walking over towards Test Track so I can show you guys some of the booths that opened that were originally supposed to open in October. There are some that opened over in World Showcase as well, like I believe the Alps opened, I think Kenya opened, and India opened. But I'm not gonna make it back there because I'm gonna try to beat this storm if I can, but those are just a few that I know opened. And over here in Future World, I know the mac and cheese place opened, the lobster place opened as well. I made it to the area that has the new food booths, but also this park opened and it's the theme of Tiana. Princess Tiana has her own little park over here. It's themed, you know, from the stuff from her restaurant. Super cute. I love it. Over here we have Flavors of Fire. If you like your spicy food, this is the place to go. Also, they have the football schedule up here, which is awesome. Let me show you the menu. I always want to try the s'mores whoopie pie. I want to try that so bad. But let's keep walking. I want to show you it's new. The new stuff is over there. Over here we have Mac Eats, and over here we have Lobster Landing, which were supposed to open on October 1st, but they did open early. But if you look over here, we actually have windows. This is where Mouse Gear used to be, and this is all torn down. It was completely empty, but now we have windows. This is going to be something called the Creation Shop, I believe. And Club Cool is going to be in this area, and so is this really big shop where you can go shopping. It's really be a nice store. If I can find concept art, we'll try to put it in here. But this is a big update. There's windows. But yes, these booths over here were supposed to open October 1st, but they did open early, which is awesome. More food for us to try. Lobster Landing has a New England lobster tail, lobster chowder, and baked lobster dip, so everything lobster. Over here we have Mac Eats. Oh, monorail. Over here at Mac Eats, obviously it's everything mac and cheese. There's a traditional mac and cheese, a truffle mac and cheese, cowboy mac and cheese, and normal mac and cheese. They all look so good. I do think there is also a plant-based mac and cheese, but oh yes, this one. This one is the plant-based one right here. Macaroni and cheese with the house-made Italian sausage and peppers. I believe that is plant-based sausage. I do have to come back and eat these. I'm cooking tonight, so I cannot have this mac and cheese today, but I can't wait to come back and try these different mac and cheeses. I love mac and cheese so much. So that's the area that opened up over here that had booths that were supposed to open October 1st, like I said, but they opened early, which is good for us. I asked one of the cast members what their favorite mac and cheese was at that booth, and they said the cowboy mac and cheese. So if you're here and you try mac and cheese, the recommendation I got is to try the cowboy mac and cheese. Obviously, if you eat meat, that's the one to try. If not, there's a vegetarian option. But now, the best way to end my day here at Epcot is to go to Mouse Gear and check out some merchandise. This Loungefly bag is too cute. I can't buy it though, because I just bought a Loungefly bag the other day that looks like the purple wall, so I can't do that to my bank account. But I want to show you some 50th anniversary merchandise that they have out. Let's see, this is a calendar. Let's take a peek at this shirt. How cute. We have this shirt that has Walt Disney World 50th. On the side we have the castle. Super cute. Right now it's a limit, 2 items per guest for the 50th collection. Look at the Halloween section. So I'm not like someone who likes spooky, scary things, but I love like Disney Halloween stuff because it's not spooky, scary. It's just cute. So every time I see like Halloween stuff, I just get super excited and I want to buy everything. I know that I can't, but I do want to get some new Halloween stuff for the house. Look how cute they are. So I'm done obsessing over Halloween merchandise. I couldn't see any construction for Club Cool and stuff. I guess I'm just too short, so I couldn't see it when I was over there, but I do want to turn this camera to show you what I'm seeing for Guardians of the Galaxy. Over here we have Guardians of the Galaxy. This outside blue stuff I haven't seen, so that means progress. And then this way is where there's more construction, where Club Cool is going to be, that new creation shop. All of that fun stuff is going to be over there. Eventually, we don't really have a set date. We heard earlier today that Club Cool could be opening soon. I heard a cast member talking in line earlier about how it could be opening soon. We did get news on the Space 220 restaurant opening in September, which is really cool, which is going to be over that way. But here's a little update on Guardians. And with that, this is the end of my Epcot day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing is the best thing you can do for this channel, but also go ahead and share this channel. Share it with your friends, family. I really hope you enjoyed the content I'm putting out. I had a really great time today. I really enjoyed coming to Epcot. I actually, is it gonna flip? I was tracking my walking today while I was here. I had to stop it at one point because I was like, oh, you're not moving. But for the past 68 minutes, I've done like half a mile of walking, which is really good. But thank you so much for watching. And with that, I'll see you next time.